name's Zach Klutz. I am the superintendent for Miller Electric.
We pride ourselves in being technical builders. Data centers are one of the marks. There has not been a time that we've posed a challenge that VDC Specialists has not accomplished. And I know that we've set a few expectations that weren't achievable, but we asked, and you could say no or deliver. You guys delivered.
Technically our third project using a model.
When we looked at the model that y'all provided, it's like y'all done your homework. Like, we want this type of run as opposed to this type of run.
Y'all think of, good paths and, try to keep the radius down and whatnot. We're out here in the field every day, so we kind of can see, different paths. We've been in contact with y'all, and y'all been able to make different changes that kind of made a little bit more sense for us in the field.
Actually, if I'm not mistaken, y'all were the ones that pointed out something about the space above one of the pieces of gear when we were trying to fit something in and we didn't have the clearances we needed. Nobody on our team even thought about it, and it was brought to our attention by VDC.
I've never had one instance where we found a field issue that we could not pick up the phone and call VDC and verbally talk through issue. And within 72 hours at the latest, sometimes immediate, the issue was resolved. In our clash detections, most of the time, if we found a clash before the meeting, the 1 hour meeting was over, the clashes that were found were addressed.
The ability to communicate easily has been like the best thing. Being able to contact you personally and get the changes made. You guys work really good about helping us get things made and changed kind of on the fly. So when we wake up the next morning, we turn things on, you got it dialed in, and we can go and I can send it off to my crew and they're good to go. So that's been the biggest help thus far, is the communication.
Like I say, you guys have helped us, because without what you have done, there's no way, in my opinion, we'd be where we are today. It's been a fun time.